Hi everyone, Krugs here from Ace Trading. Today I'm here to share with you one of our new bots, the Fair Value Gap Fills bot. This bot this strategy has been quite popular from ICT, looking for fair value gaps in the market. So you can see, I thought I might start with explaining what a fair value gap is to begin with, and then talk about how we're going to trade it using a bot. So the fair value gap is formed when there is a formation of three candles. So the first candle, I've got an example right here, is formed, and the high of that candle is there. And the second candle is formed, and it pushes up so quick that it's allowed the orders to move too quick, so that there's a bit of a gap in the market here. So what tends to happen is price will then come back and revisit, but not fully go down. So you've got this little gap in the market where price likes to go, and just what I found with experience is fill that gap. Okay, it doesn't always fill it. What I found is about an 80% win rate, which is pretty good for a bot. What we're really focusing on is smaller gaps. So you're going to find, depending on your time frame, currently I'm using a 5-minute time frame, and I've got minimum and maximum tick size set to 5 and 20. I'm looking for the smallish gaps. The smaller the gap, the more chance that it will get filled. The larger the gap, obviously price has to do a fair bit in order to fill those gaps. So I like to keep my gaps quite small. So that's why I've set them at 5 and 20. I don't like to trade the US Open, so I'm going to start my bot after the US Open and stop it just before, just because price doesn't necessarily follow a lot of trended support. Support and resistance. It just tends to does what it wants to do. So I tend to stay away from that opening hour, and then use the bot for all the other times. You can see that the bot has been activated. I've got a profit target up here for about $1,000. I'm just going to let it run. I can't even remember what it does on this particular day. It was, for me, it was last week that it ran. I've just chosen a random day. I've got down the bottom here, when a new gap is formed, it will tell us the one above and the one below. So you're able to place manual trades if needed, and you're able to use other indicators to help you with those manual trades. I know for myself, I like to look at a couple of other indicators that we have here at Ace Trading. So I have the Surfcast, which tells me my ADR and kind of direction for the day, but I also like to use the footprint to give me an idea of what is happening with price and where it may move, based on orders, order flow, and where I might see delta change with our orders. But I'm going to show you the bot, and we're going to let it run, and I'm going to talk it through. So the bot, let's see if we can get some wins out of this. As I said, it's about an 80% win rate across all different instruments. My favorite to run it on is NQ, obviously, and crude, but I've had a few people request if I could run some bots on ES, so that is what I'm doing today. And I'm just started off, and we'll just see what happens with our I'll pause it for a second. We'll see what happens. But we're running it at in the evening. So I'm from Australia, and at the 5:44 p.m. is my morning. So I generally like to watch the bot throughout my day. That's why I'm going to show you an example here of what I actually did and when I traded this day. So we'll start it off. We'll go down, and we can kind of see what price is doing. It looks like the previous day had a bit of a high. So there we go. So I'm just going to pause it there. So a fair value gap was formed because this candle pushed up, and then this one opened here, and it left a gap in the market. And then this candle opened up here, and then the following candle opened here and closed. So it forms some gaps. So what we're going to do is this bot is going to place some orders around the top of this wave, and you can see that the wave is at 4979.75, and we're trying to get in this case I've got a 1-to-2 ratio, and sometimes I run a 1-to-1 ratio depending on the size of the wave. Okay, so let's see what happens here. We will see it goes up to test my stop loss. You can see you do need to have a reasonable stop loss in order to for price not to stop you out straight away. And you can see this is the day, the night time, so there's not going to be as much volume in this time frame. You can kind of see as price moves down, hopefully it takes out our limit order, and it does, and then enters a new one, and straight down. You can kind of see here we have a This is a 1 to 2. You can kind of see the previous one had a 1 to 1 ratio. This had a 1 to 2 ratio, depending on the size of the waves. I've got a max stop loss incorporated in this just to limit our losses. Okay, and we're sitting at $287.50 so far, which is pretty good. So I'll be pretty happy with that in only 3 hours work. Okay, you can see another one has formed and it took it straight away. And that is generally what you're going to find. What I tend to find is if a fair value gap is formed, price will generally come up and fill it straight away. If it doesn't, it can take some time and it may revisit it and move the other direction. So the quicker that it fills, they're the trades that I really love. And if I see the wave has been there, the fair value gap has been there for a while, I tend to, I guess, cancel that order and not use it if I'm watching the bot. Okay. So far we're sitting at $375. You can see other fair value gaps could have formed. So you can see that would have been a fair value gap here. See how that candle closed here, this candle closed down the bottom, and this one opened up here. So there is a bit of a fair value gap there. However, it didn't meet the 5-tick minimum. Okay, so I didn't trade it. If I'd set a 4-tick minimum, it would have probably traded that and would have got a nice win. Okay, but I'm not really interested in those smaller ones because the smaller the wave, yes, you have a higher percentage chance of it, filling that wave. However, you need to have a really tight stop loss. So you can see here, it didn't fill it over here. And if that was only 4 ticks and I only had a 4-tick stop loss, I probably would have been stopped out. So I like having a larger wave, or not too large, but a larger wave so that I can have a larger relative stop loss. And I think that's the key here. Okay, the stop loss not being too small. Okay, you want to go for that 1 to 1 ratio or 1 to 2 ratio, depending on the size of the wave. Okay. In our Discord channel, we will be talking about different settings to use. What I found with the history of running this, been running it for quite some time, but this is a very popular strategy that a lot of traders use. So there is a lot of information out there about fair value gaps. However, there aren't many bots that trade it. Okay, so that's what we want to offer here at Ace Trading, an opportunity to automate our trading by trading these fills, so that you don't have to be in front of your screen the whole time. Okay, you can kind of see here, market now has kind of taken off, and you can see these fair value gaps have formed. If price was to come straight back down, it probably would collect all those and would get nice easy wins. If it hangs around at the top, what you tend to find is that it might come into 1 or 2 and then bounce the other direction, maybe a halfway pullback. Okay, and what you can do is you can look at orders and you can kind of see where orders and volume is. Volume is down the bottom at the moment, but there has been a bit of a pickup in volume up here, so it might not actually come back down. And if we look at our average daily range for the day, for the daytime so far, we've only got 18. It's actually gone a fair way already, so it might pull back, but there is potential for it to keep going because we have an average day range for the last 20 days is 46, and we're only currently sitting at 18.75. So there's a good chance it's probably going to continue up, but we will continue with the play and see what happens. As we move into the market open though, we will turn off the bot. So the bot will turn off at 8:30. So we're about 8:30 is about here. So if there's no more players right here, it will turn off, which is okay. You can see I'm over for the night session, $512.50. I'm very comfortable with that. Often I don't set a large profit target like that. 500 for only running one mini contract is phenomenal. And so far we've had 100% wins. As I said, it's about an 80%. So you do get your losses. That's why it's really important that you have a reasonable stop loss. Other than that, there is not much else to the bot. It's a pretty simple bot. It's just really useful to automate these fair value gaps. Okay, the key thing is to get the right size, and then just let the bot run. Okay, but if there's no more trades around this 8:30 time, I might actually fast forward the rest of the day so you can see how the trades go. But that is me for now. Please. Stop by the Discord channel. Please reach out to us if you like this bot or any of our other bots, and I will see you in the future. Krooks signing out.